In today's dating landskape, manipulable krave lofe, bid vir te closeness dat komis witte tes paradox of ten traces back to wat psychologists sal avoidant attachment. Individuals witte te style were of ten reiset in environments were emotional needs were minimiset or dismisset. As adults te learn to rely on independence as a form of protection. In romantic relationships, avoidant lei attached people my upper confident, self-sufficient, even charismatic. Bid when intimacy deepens, they often withdraw. Takes goeie inanswerit, plans are delayed, and partners are left confused. It's not that they don't care, it's that closeness triggers discomfort, even fear. Avoidant attachment is in verjasing like common in Western societies that value personal freedom and emotional restraint. At the pressures of dating apps, ghosting sulture, and digital detachment, and the result is a generation's terugling to balance vulnerability with the autonomy. Understanding this pattern is the first step towards change. Avoidant individuals gaan learn to tolerate closeness and express needs, while their partners can develop patterns and boundaries. Healing starts when both partners feel seen, not just for of they out, but why. After all, emotional connection isn't about losing herself in someone else. It's about learning how to stay closer without running away.